So this is our room 25, which is the Grove Suite. We've got welcome chocolates, welcome drink, and welcome. It's quite cute. I'm assuming that's from the manager. So that's the door we've just come out of. And then when you come in, you've got this beautiful chandelier. Straighten you out a bit there, that's it. And there you go, that's a bit better. That's the bookshelf. I lost my words again. Absolutely stunning. We have been in here to have a look around when we first came in, and this is out of this world, this room. Excuse my phone. Absolutely out of this world. So, got teas and coffees and red wine. In here, if I go this side, got some shelving. Then in here we've got lentil curls, cauliflower crisps, some chips, mixed nuts, and quite a few of these. They might come in handy. Some cocktail alcoholic gummies, lovely. Some wine glasses, and you can't get much more in there, fully stocked fridge. That's fabulous. Oh, they've got everything you can think of. In fairness, absolutely everything. Semi-skim milk. That should be fun going through that after. Nice coffee machine. Lots of plug sockets, which I love. Don't think there's probably no USB ports. Fantastic windows, full length windows, and this is the living area part of the suite. It's taken my breath away, really has. Absolutely stunning. Lovely artwork. Again, the full-size windows looking out onto beautifully landscaped gardens. A desk area there. They were showing us just now downstairs in the lounge area that we can use for, you know, any time we want to go on the laptop. I really don't want to leave this room now. I want to make the most of every second. We were lucky enough to be able to check in a little bit early, which is great because then, like I said, we can utilise the room to its full potential. We've got some more artwork, and these are original artwork. I like that one. Can you see it? Like a man and woman. Look at that. The views are just, and I love people watching. The weather here isn't very good at the moment. That's obviously, I think that's the glass house there, where we're going to go for dinner tonight. Maybe a spot of lunch. So, some more artwork. I like this one too. Fabulous. I can't read what it says. I haven't got my glasses on. Yeah, but really lovely, lovely, lovely. The fireplace. Right, I'll start off with the bedroom and end up back in going through this room, because this room, the bedroom has two doors. So I'm going to go in the one door. More artwork there. You can't get a mirror bigger than that, can you? The size of that mirror. Fabulous. The furniture is absolutely stunning. Everything is, the flowers, absolutely fabulous. I know I keep saying it. Absolutely brilliant. So that is made for Dame Ellen Terry. Can you see? worn by Madonna and Kylie Minogue. They have worn that. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll be able to take it out of a shelf and to wear it tonight. And if I could, I don't think it would fit me, but how wonderful. Something worn by Kylie Minogue and Madonna. Wow, who'd have thought it? And then that's behind the bed. And then we've got this beautiful, beautiful 4-poster bed. So again, this is the Grove Hotel in Hertfordshire, and this is the Grove Suite. So absolutely stunning. My husband managed to find the switch to bring that up, because that was put away when we came here. More wonderfully landscape gardens and some fantastic views. Such a shame it's raining out there, because there's some lovely walks around apparently. And look at that bed. Look at that bed. Absolute luxury. Quality, luxury. And just look at that. If I could stop talking, I'd be speechless. That was a joke, by the way. Right, we've got the temperature control and a fan speed on the bed. And that looks so comfy and inviting. Fabulous. And then we've got a chaise lounge in here too. Some more unique artwork. Not sure about this one, but each to their own. Absolutely fabulous. I know I keep saying that over and over again, but just stunning. What can we see outside this window? We've got more gardens and the glass house. And in here, very practical ironing board. Might need that later on. Somewhere to put our suitcase. And in here, umbrella, a safe, fabulous, and lots of hanging space as well. Wonderful. And that mirror, you just can't see, you can't appreciate how big that is. It's just, don't know where they got that from, but brilliant. Lots of other mirrors as well. And this door goes back through then into the living area. And then I'll show you one last room, which is the bathroom. And that's also not for the faint-hearted, because it's stunning. Absolutely stunning in here too. So as you go in, that's the toilet. And then plenty of towels, which I like. And look at that. Look at that bath. Just look. Brilliant. Some shaver points. And even more towels. A little step up, so it'll help you into that bath. Fabulous. Lots of a spa.
Shall I open the champagne?
There's a pandy.
Yes, look.
Look. Oh, well done. If you're sure you want to do that, I was going to go for a coffee, but
Coffee, yeah.
and something to eat. If you like, he spoils me. He really spoils me. Shall I open the champagne? Right. Can't wait. Look at that. Brilliant. His and hers sink. I can never tell whether I'm doing these room tours too quickly or spending too much time, but you really can't spend enough time on this, because everywhere you look is just absolutely gorgeous. So shame they've only got a bath, you say? No, they've also got a shower, and it's a whopper. What a whopper. Look at that. Brilliant. And that shower head is going to be fabulous later. Although I think I might try the bath too. Oh, decisions. Absolutely amazing. So, and there goes my phone again. Forgot to silence it, sorry. So, yeah, I just can't express how wonderful I think this room is. Well, I know this room is. And that's it for the room tour. Hopefully we'll show you more of the hotel.